Hello, welcome to another social problems lesson. This lesson is on gender inequality and some of the societal issues we face and that both genders face that are frequently based in culture or geographic region, um, economic inequality, and so forth. We'll also be looking at how the three major sociological theories look at this problem of inequality. We have the normal chapter text reading inside the textbook. I've included PowerPoint slides that can be viewed online or even downloaded or printed out if you so choose. Also include another TED video as, by Cheryl Woodun, and she calls gender inequality our century's greatest injustice and the greatest moral challenge for the century as well. After that, also included some internet links you may want to browse to learn more about our topic. And on page 7 of our assignment pages, I have included 3 short articles to read. One's 7 pages, another one is 5 pages, and another is 9 pages. And the first article is called The Social Construction of Gender, and it kind of talks about how society constructs and defines what gender is. Then we move on to some other interesting readings, such as pornography and the men's consciousness. This is coming out of a journal article, and simply the double standard that exists in many parts of our population about the acceptance of pornography as opposed to other types of what many view in terms of victimizing and taking advantage of the opposite sex. Then there's a final video, or article actually, about violent crime and how normal that is in society and advertising, and especially in the male psyche. These 2 articles are actually, I've included to kind of challenge you and to expose you to some different thinking on these topics. And certainly I want to hear from you and let me know what you think about these articles. They're quite fascinating in terms of how they were written. And we have 2 discussion board postings asking you to consider the effects and benefits and historical precedents of stay-at-home mothers. So we will be discussing that, and how different genders are treated, especially even when we're talking about babies, and how different babies are treated based on their gender. So that should be a fun, exciting, or interesting discussion board at the same time. And of course we have the normal chapter test inside of the lesson folder. Again, I hope you're doing well, and let me know if you have questions. Thanks. Take care.